original ballot paper, 47 ballot papers, original ballot papers were found outside the polling booth, Lordship. After post 11:30, no votes were allowed to be casted. On the online website of the Election Commission, Lordship, it shows that is at page 20, Lordship. May I hand over the original ballot papers which were found outside?
You have it with you?
Lordship, the client had gotten, they were found outside the polling booth.
And are these used or unused?
Used, Lordship. Many.
Does it have the signature of the presiding officer?
Lordship, they have the signature of the presiding officers.
There is
the signature of the presiding officer. Only pleading, Lordship, it was there. One in correction, Lordship, since it was filed in haste, that 47 votes were secured by me, which are there in the ballot paper. Lordship, few of them were also to the candidate for the CPM. So all these original ballot papers were taken out of the ballot box, thrown outside the counting polling booth, Lordship.
Which booth?
This is, Lordship, Sakwa Jhora. Sakwa Jhora.
Where do I get that?
Lordship, in the synopsis as well, and the first paragraph of the petition, Lordship.
Please come.
Lordship,
The petitioner contested the Panchayat General Elections 2023 from Dhupguri block for Sakwa Jhora -Roman 2 Gram Panchayat. Stop. The petitioner alleges that after 11 a.m. in the morning, on the date of poll, no voting could take place. Stop. The petitioner as well as her supporters were beaten and thrown out of the polling center. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner produces 47 voters,
original ballot papers.
Original ballot papers, which the petitioners found outside the counting center.
Polling center.
Outside the polling center. Stop. Next. Did you bring this to the notice of the authority?
Lordship, at that time I had raised the complaint during.
Where is it?
That complaint, Lordship, I found that is at page 26, Lordship, page 26 onwards are the complaint. But this fact I did not mention before the video because on the day of polling, Lordship, when I found these papers, it was.
Yes.
I found this prior, I made the complaint. After that.
Receiving
No, Lordship. After receiving this, and this I did not bring to the notice of the BDO or the DM, Lordship, because there is serious life threat security. I was being threatened.
The petitioner lodged complaint before the superintendent of police on the day of the poll and alleges that the same has not been taken up for consideration till date. Stop. Next. Paragraph, it has been submitted that the ballot papers are used and bears the signature of the presiding officer at the reverse. Stop. Next paragraph. To ascertain and identify whether the ballot papers are original or not, the block development officer, being the Panchayat returning officer, Dhupguri, West Bengal,
Lordship,
is directed to report before the honorable judge sitting in circuit. When is the circuit been sitting? From 31st on 3rd of August.
Lordship, may I kindly make it part heard, Lordship?
No. 3rd of August 2023. Stop. Next. A report shall be filed by the by the concerned block development officer and also by the State Election Commission. Apropos the allegations made by the petitioner in the writ petition. Stop. Next. The original ballot papers produced in court today shall remain in the custody of shall be placed in a sealed cover and remain in the custody of the Registrar General of this court. Stop. the original file and the original ballot papers be transmitted to the circuit bench at Jalpaiguri at the earliest.
It was a circuit bench here, no?
Grateful to you.